Spinning reels from Penn have long been a staple for saltwater and versatility-driven anglers. The category spans budget-friendly wrath models to battle-ready battle systems and premium spin fisher lines, each balancing durability, drag performance, and line management in corrosive environments. This review tests 5 Penn spinning reels that cover a wide price spectrum from $58.06 to $134.95.
List number 1. Battle 3 Spinning Fishing Reel. The Battle 3 is Penn's 1,000 size inshore workhorse, built around an all-aluminum body and side plates with a forged and machined aluminum spool and line capacity rings. It uses CNC gearing with a 5.2 to 1 retrieve ratio and a 22 inches per crank recovery, plus 6 total bearings, 5 stainless steel ball bearings, plus 1 instant anti-reverse, and an HT100 front drag system. This model supports right-left handle ambidexterity and features a superline spool for braided line attachment. At roughly 275 yards of 2-pound mono capacity or 166 braid capacity on a 1,000 size, it balances strength and compactness for inshore species. Performance-wise, the Battle 3 offers solid smoothness and rigidity due to its all-aluminum construction, which translates to stable retrieves under load. The 9-pound max drag from the HT100 carbon fiber washers is adequate for many inshore and light-bottom fishing scenarios, and the 5+1 bearing arrangement helps reduce play and vibration during long drags. In practice, anglers will appreciate the consistent drag curve and the reel's ability to handle braided line on the superline spool without slippage. The ambidextrous handle. List number 2. Pursuit IV Spinning Fishing Reel. The Pursuit IV is a lightweight, corrosion-resistant, graphite-bodied reel with a machined and anodized aluminum superline spool. It uses a 4+1 stainless steel bearing system and HT100 carbon fiber drag, designed for reliability and long-lasting performance under high drag pressures. This model is ambidextrous and targets versatility across freshwater and light saltwater applications with a size around 2500 that balances line capacity and weight. In use, the Pursuit IV delivers smooth, predictable drag behavior thanks to the HT100 system and stainless steel bearings. Anglers will appreciate its light feel in hand and the braided compatible spool that makes setups quick for jigging or live bait presentations. The 2500 size is well suited for anglers who fish lighter species or split their sessions between inshore and estuary environments. However, the drag range and overall frame materials may feel less rugged than the Battle 3 on constant high-drag retrieves, and the graphite body, while light, may be less forgiving in rough booting conditions.
List number 3. Spin Fisher VI Spinning Fishing Reel. The Spin Fisher VI represents Penn's robust, full metal body saltwater option with IPX5 sealed aluminum reel spool design and line capacity rings. It employs precision CNC gearing with a 6.2 to 1 retrieve and 33 inches per crank, plus 5+1 bearings, HT100 carbon fiber drag up to 15 pounds, and automatic bail trip on sizes 2500 to 5500. This reel is designed for saltwater reliability, easy line management, and strong drag performance across larger species. Performance-wise, the Spin Fisher VI stands out with a higher max drag, superior corrosion resistance, and a solid line management system for braided lines. The sealed body reduces salt intrusion and moisture ingress, extending service life in harsh conditions. Anglers targeting bigger species or rough offshore environments will benefit from the sealed aluminum spool and the 6.2 to 1 gearing efficiency. The automatic bail trip feature on mid-range sizes enhances one-handed operation in demanding scenarios, though the reel is heavier and pricier than the Wrath and Pursuit lines.
List number 4. Battle Spinning Reel Kit. This kit pairs a battle spinning reel, size 2500 in description, but marketed as a battle setup, with a reel cover and spare anodized aluminum spool, HT100 front drag system, 5+1 stainless steel bearings, and a full metal body including rotor and side plates. It includes a superline spool and line capacity rings for quick line checks. The 5,000 designation suggests a larger capacity intended for bigger saltwater species, with ambidextrous handle placement and improved durability for heavy-duty use. In practice, this battle kit provides excellent stiffness and drag reliability under high load conditions, suitable for targeting larger saltwater species or long-duration battles. The included spare spool helps manage different line setups without downtime. The combination of full metal construction and heavy-duty bale wire makes it a durable solution for anglers who fish frequently in harsh environments or need a bigger platform than the 2500 class reels. The main trade-off is weight and cost, which places it near the premium end of this review.
List number 5. Wrath 2 Spinning Fishing Reel. Wrath 2 is Penn's more affordable spinning reel built around a corrosion-resistant graphite body with a machined anodized aluminum spool and line capacity rings. It uses a 6.2:1 gear ratio and a 2+1 stainless steel bearing system, supported by an oil-felt front drag system with up to 10-pound max drag. The Wrath spans sizes from 2,500 to 8,000, enhancing versatility for freshwater to light saltwater setups while maintaining ambidextrous handle options. In practical terms, Wrath 2 delivers dependable performance at an accessible price. The combination of a braided-ready spool and a robust drag system makes it suitable for beginners moving into braided line or casual saltwater use. For regular saltwater anglers or those targeting bigger species, the Wrath may feel limited by its lightweight graphite frame and modest drag, though it remains a standout value option in this price range. The 2500 size is particularly popular for general inshore use and light trolling or jigging setups.